How do you launch a hardware tech product with no funding, no big team, and almost no community behind it? Well, you can't, unless you change the rules. And that's exactly what we are doing right now. In this video, I will show you our exact blueprint to launch our product with limited resources and still making it work. Hi, I'm Raouf, the co-founder of CTRL ENERGY, the company behind LEPO, our way of democratizing energy, and ZERO, the battery that refuses to die. We are not building just a product. We are building a new way to think about hardware. Unlike software, hardware doesn't scale. You can't push a button and go global overnight. You have to design, build, package, and deliver it. It used to be messy, expensive, and brutally unforgiving. We developed ZERO entirely in-house. But even if you don't handle the manufacturing and the logistics yourself, you still have to face one big monster: distribution. Distribution is how your potential customers meet your product and potentially fall in love with it. For hardware, you have basically two ways: online and offline. Online can be through your own website, D2C, or through marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, etc. Offline, well, it's big stores, electronic stores, even your pop-up stand. And all these channels work in theory. But if you jump too early, you will be crushed by competitors with cheaper product and deeper pockets. Because remember, nobody knows you yet. So here's what we are doing differently. Instead of fighting for ad space or shelf space, we are building a core community around our core belief that energy and obsolescence should break up. That's what connects everything we built, from LEPO to ZERO. And just as my co-founders Adlan like to say, we are not chasing customers, we are creating believers. By the way, if you are already a believer, check the link below to meet ZERO and potentially fall in love with it. To attract early believers, the obvious way to go is crowdfunding. And two platforms dominate the market: Kickstarter and Indiegogo. We opted for Kickstarter because we are users of the platform. We back many projects every year, and our eyes are used to the structure and the culture of the platform. But be careful, if you jump right into your campaign, you will be crushed. Again, slow start equals less exposure, and you will be less favored by the algorithm and need to spend heavily to get some traction and achieve your goal. The secret behind an explosive start is to pre-launch a project. Nowadays, it's the norm. Everybody is pre-launching the project. But 99% of the founders are doing it wrong. And here is the missing piece. We pre-launch our product in public. Every day, we share a small piece, a short video, talking about our project with no filter. At the beginning, it will be uncomfortable, but you will get used to it. And it's a matter of practice. The more you produce, the better you get. At the end, it feels natural, just talking to an old friend that you never saw. Building in public has two benefits: getting trust and empathy. And that's crucial to turn perfect strangers into early believers. In our case, the key takeaways I want our viewers to get are: what is ZERO and how it will level up your life, and that my co-founder and I have the skills, the expertise, and the ethics to deliver to every single backer. And that's key to get backers that will leverage your brand on the long run. Imagine, these are total strangers believing in your product. So treat them with respect. That was the first video of hopefully a long series. And in the next one, I will show you exactly how we are building our community from scratch, and how you can do the same for your product no matter your resources. Join the build, follow the journey, and let's reinvent how hardware is built together. Cheers.